Let's create something beautiful without any mess today. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super easy art technique that's perfect for kids as well as adults. All you need is a sheet of paper, a black pen or marker, and your favorite coloring tools, and that's it. Start by drawing random freehand lines and shapes across the page. Let your hand move freely, no need to plan or think. You can make swirls, zigzags, curves, anything that's really fun. Now it's time to bring your art to life. Color each blank space however you like. Use bright colors, patterns, or even a color theme. It's all up to you. Here I'm using my current favorite Tom's brush pen. I really love them and trust me, I made this art only because I want to use them. As you can see, I keep editing my outline so that I can create more and more sections to color. I don't have much knowledge of coloring techniques, so I keep using any color I like here. Art has no rules. Every line you draw is a little drawing of your imagination. Filling colors isn't just about beauty. It's a way to slow down, breathe, and let your mind relax. Remember, every piece of art is unique, just like you. Please don't mind the way I'm coloring here. I'm just having my fun. I don't know why I have this habit of securing the outline first and then fill all the inside part just like small kids. I keep on adding more and more sections to make my artwork more and more colorful. And here comes my favorite neon color from the whole set. I just love that. This activity is not only creative but also calming. Great for a mindful break or a weekend art session with kids. And here's the final masterpiece. Simple, colorful and mess-free. I hope you give it a try. If you like this idea, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy art projects.